Our next topic is the management of sows or girls during pregnancy. Now we have serviced our sows. We have confirmed conception by testing heat after 21 days. We are sure that our sows or girls are pregnant. So pregnancy or gestation in pigs, it lasts for about 115 days. We call it 3 months, 3 weeks, 3 days, 3 hours, 3 minutes, 3 seconds. So management of pregnant sows is a core principle because the gestation period directly determines the litter size, which is the number of piglets born alive. It determines the piglet birth weight and fertility. It also determines the overall longevity or the lifespan of the sow or the female pig. This management also determines the farrowing ease, which are the reduced stillbirth and also farrowing complications. So how do we manage a pregnant sow? In terms of feed, pregnant sow is given 2 to 3.5 kgs of feed per day, which contains about 12 to 13% crude protein to support the growing fetuses. Some vaccines, for example, the parvovirus, they are also administered to pregnant sows so that the piglets will be protected from parvo. Litter gut vaccine can also be administered to the pregnant sows. This serves to protect the piglets against E. coli. The pregnant sows must also be dewormed 8 to 10 days before farrowing. And also, before she goes for farrowing, make sure that it is cleaned. It is brushed thoroughly with soap and water to remove some worm eggs. This serves to protect the piglets from external parasites. The pregnant sow is also sprayed with some acaricides such as tick buster and triatrix, which are available on the market. This will kill mange and mice. This again will help to control the external parasites so that they will not affect the piglets. Prior to farrowing, which is giving birth, the feeding regime changes. Feed that is high in fiber is given to the sow, and mainly lucerne and cabbage are given to the sow, and this is done to prevent constipation. And in case of constipation on the market, there are some Epsom salts which are given to ease constipation. 10 days prior to farrowing, the pregnant sows are moved from the gestation crates or the gestation pens to the farrowing crates. Let's look at the gestation crates. Okay, so under commercial production, these are the gestation crates, and it differs with farmer's choice. Sometimes they are kept in pens of 5s, 10s, and so on. And then on day 7, they are moved out of the gestation crates or the gestation pens to the farrowing pens. And this picture is the farrowing pen. The farrowing pen houses only one sow per time. It is equipped with lighting and also heat equipment. The farrowing crate is being used because um, it avoids crushing of the piglets by the sow. So in this unit, strict hygiene measures should be applied at all the times. Now, the pregnant sow has been moved from the gestation pens to the farrowing crate or the farrowing pen. It is now ready to farrow. You should check the signs of farrowing, and some of them are chewing of the straw, making a nest. The farrowing signs are also shown on the udder. It becomes turgid, and if you try to squeeze the nipples, the milk can come out easily. And if these signs show, make sure that the environment is very quiet and calm so as to reduce stress. A stressed sow or goat, it will develop a cannibalism behavior. It will eat the piglets. And we don't want that to happen at the pig farm because we want as much piglets as possible so that they uh, go into the system and finally to the market. So the process of giving birth, it also lasts for 4 to 6 hours, and the time between one piglet and the other should be less than 45 minutes. If it extends 45 minutes, then something is wrong. You have to try to walk the sow. If that doesn't work, an iron injection can be done, and sometimes assistance can also be done. If farrowing is completed, you can see the placenta coming out. That marks the end of farrowing. And after farrowing, check for the health of the sow. If the sow is producing milk, check the udder. Is it swollen? If it is swollen extremely, then it's mastitis, and you have to treat it using some antibiotics. This picture shows the normal udder and the piglet suckling, and the other picture shows mastitis. Noticeably, the udder is swollen. The teeth are also swollen as well. This is mastitis. It needs to be treated. The picture below shows some abnormalities that are faced at farrowing. You can see the piglets, some are dead, all of them are dead, and they have this strange color. And what are they called? They are called mummified piglets, and they are caused by parvovirus. So it is essential to administer parvo vaccine during the period when the sow is pregnant.